Hey guys, welcome back to AnonymousSushi. Hope everybody's doing good today. So previously I showed you guys how to make tempura batter and shrimp tempura, which I have over here. So we're going to be making shrimp tempura rolls today, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what we're going to be needing is nori, some cucumber, some avocado, rice, and then some shrimp. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that right away. Okay, so I'm going to take about, as you normally know, like a nice fistful of rice from 95 to 100 grams. Okay, I'm going to spread my rice out across. Okay, spread my rice down. Okay, once I have that, I'm going to flip it over now, and now I'm going to add my ingredients. So, I'm going to put into some cucumber inside actually, and then I'm going to put some avocado on top. So I have my avocado fanned out and ready to be used on top already. Okay, so I'm going to put in 2 pieces of shrimp, some cucumber in the middle, just like that, and I'm going to roll it up now. Okay, then once I have that, I'm just going to take my knife and I'm going to actually lift up my avocado slice just like that, put it right on top. Okay. Alright, so now and then we're going to take our bamboo maki once we have our avocado on top, and then we're just going to reshape our roll just like that, pressing on the sides. Okay, and then once you have that, you guys should have a very nice, good looking roll. Okay, after that, I'm going to take my knife now and cut it into 8 pieces. Okay, so just like that, guys, you have a very beautiful shrimp tempura roll. This is one way I like to make it. And then once you guys cut it, if you guys really need to, you guys can just reshape it one more time, and then plate the sushi now. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. You guys have a very awesome, good looking shrimp tempura roll. Okay, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of eel sauce on top. And just like that, guys, it's a shrimp tempura roll. Okay, yeah, if you guys, thank you. If you guys like, please click down and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.